morning, everyone. Today is Friday, April 15th, Good Friday, and I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. The markets are closed today, so in this short video, I just want to give you traders a suggestion on how to better read the market. The market is a difficult animal to read, especially for those who don't have enough experience in seeing how the market moves and gyrates from day to day. As for me, I use a number of financial tools and calculators in judging where the market is going to go, but that doesn't mean that my judgment is going to be actually fulfilled by the market. So here's a suggestion. Look at your charts over the previous several weeks. Look at each chart, each daily chart individually, and go backwards from the close to the open and see at what point if you can determine where you should have taken a trade. And that will give you experience going forward in how to gauge the market when it comes time to actually pull the trigger on a trade. Experience is the greatest teacher. As in the song, you've got to know when to hold them, you've got to know when to fold them. Well, the same is true in trading. You've got to know when to trade, you've got to know when not to trade. So look at your charts over the past several weeks, each daily chart, reading from the close back to the open, and see if you can determine a point at which you feel comfortable in making the trade. This is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Thanks for watching. Trade safely, and I'll see you in my next video.